almost 8 a.m. here in Marghera, Venice, Italy, everyone, and it's spring, so 8 a.m. is already bright. It feels like 10 a.m. in Indonesia, maybe, because the Fajar is around 5:30. The air is cool, it's great because later it's gonna be quite hot. Even though it's only spring, it's quite hot because summer is like 2 weeks away. So around this time it's very cool, the weather is great, and it smells like flower everywhere because flowers are blooming. That's interesting. I love this season.